That there has been a disturbing situation going on in Garo Hills regarding the participation of the non-tribals in the district council. We all know that one. So, as a matter of fact, we met the government for one point only, that the scheduled tribe certificate be made mandatory. It must be made mandatory for any participation for voting or contesting in the district council election. That is one of the point. Now another point is amending Rule 128. Actually, Rule 128 A. So we asked the governor that certain words should be inserted, just like indigenous scheduled tribe of Garo Hills must be inserted in that particular rule. And another is this one, District Council Composition Executive Committee, Chapter 1, General. Here for qualification for membership, again, paragraph 8A, these words, indigenous scheduled tribe of Garo Hills must be inserted so that non-tribals cannot vote in the district council. So we talk about amending the para 12A also. This discussion has been going on because we have a series of meetings with the KSU also, FKGJP here in Shillong also. So we have been asking for the amendment of the para 12A because this para 12A, the government of Meghalaya incessantly interferes in the district council rules through this para 12A. So we talk with the governor whether there is a possibility to amend the para 12A. So the governor has been his response has been quite positive, and the governor was talking about SIR also, whether SIR should be implemented before commencing with the district council elections. So these are the certain things we have discussed with the governor, and the governor said that the Honorable Chief Minister has met with the Honorable Governor also. So they are discussing regarding the some amendments in the rules, election rules, some amendments in the election rule, particularly the mandatory scheduled tribe certificate, which must be possessed by any person to contest or elect vote in the district council election.